Hello, my students. As we are working in this virtual new way of learning, so we are going to require some virtual uh, software to advance. We have been working with chemistry and we will continue working with physics. Both of them are related to matter, so I need you to have these virtual laboratory. Okay, so what you are going to do is to Google the word Chemlab, and the options of downloading are these. So you go and click on model Chemlab. This is going to take you to this website. Okay, there are many things here. Obviously, everything can be bought, but in this moment, what we are going to use is the free version. Okay, one that we use in the case that we want to explore the laboratory and that we want to pay for it. But in this moment, it's for free. So you click here, and it is going to start a download. Once you have finished in this area of the screen, it is going to appear the file. You click on it and it is going to open, and it's going to start installing the software in your computer. When the software is completely installed, so you are going to have it on the uh, as a direct access on the main desk, and this is what is going to appear. Obviously, it is thinking for trying the Chemlab. We are not going to order the full Chemlab version. We are going to say I agree. When it opens, it is going to provide some possible laboratories that we can use in the case that I assign to do one of these laboratories. So what you do is just clicking on it and accepting. In this moment, we are going to use general laboratory and okay. So it's going to give you some information here, okay, of what we do. It's in Spanish in this case, okay. Something about the procedure that we need to follow, and here you will have the opportunity to take notes of your observations on the laboratory. Now, on this area, what we have is the space of the laboratory. Here is where we can put any of the instruments or equipment that we require to do our experiments in a virtual way. Okay, so check please all the tools that you have on the top of the software. This is to add water. This is to add chemicals. This is to pour something or to stop pouring something. The Bunsen burner, the beaker, the test tube, the mayor, the Florence flask, the watch glass, etc., etc., etc. When you stand on each of them, in each of them, you are going to have the opportunity to see what is their name in English. Okay, now the idea is that we can use it for different purposes. Okay, so I have here a 100 milliliter beaker, but if I need a bigger beaker, so I come here to the tab of equipment and I select a beaker of a higher capacity, for example 600 milliliters. I can fill this beaker or with water, normal water, or with ice water. I also have the possibility to fill it with this agua destilada, or, well, in other cases, we will have more options, okay? This is what we have like an option. In this moment, I'm going to cancel it. This is what we have, okay? If I fill this with water, and I have, for example, this Erlenmeyer, I put it right under the beaker, and I select this beaker and I say pour. Okay, so it should be pouring on this. Okay, so we stop that. It is telling you how much capacity does this have so that we can pour the complete amount that we have here. Okay, more or less how can we use the instruments here. The idea is that you can also explore the tool. In a future video, I will explain how to use other tools, okay?